If OneNote is showing an account error, sign-in issue, or keeps asking you to reconnect your profile, this video will walk you through a simple fix step by step. We're going to clear the problem account data, remove cached sign-in files, and then log back in so OneNote can sync properly again. This is a quick method that often solves frustrating Microsoft account problems without reinstalling the whole app. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and software guides. Let's get started. First, open OneNote on your computer. Once it's open, go to File, then click Account. In the Account area, look for User Information. Under that section, click Sign Out. If you see more than one account listed under Connected Services, remove them all. This is important because leftover connected accounts can keep causing the same error even after you sign out. After signing out and removing the connected services, completely close OneNote. Make sure it is not running in the background. It's also a good idea to close all other Office apps as well, including Word, Excel, and Outlook, so nothing is still holding on to the old account session. Now restart your PC. A full restart helps clear temporary login issues and resets the Office sign-in state. Once your computer turns back on, open OneNote again and log back in with the correct Microsoft account. In many cases, that alone can fix the account error right away. If you still see the problem, we'll move on to clearing the cached account files manually. First, close all Office and OneNote applications completely. Again, make sure nothing Microsoft related is still open. Then press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, paste this path exactly: %local app data %/Microsoft/OneAuth. Then press Enter. This folder stores OneAuth sign-in information, and deleting its contents can remove corrupted login data that may be causing the OneNote account error. When the folder opens, delete everything inside it. You can select all the files and folders and remove them. Don't worry, these are cached authentication files and OneNote will rebuild what it needs the next time you sign in. Next, press Windows key plus R again to open Run one more time. This time, paste this path: %local app data %/Microsoft/IdentityCache. Press Enter, and when the folder opens, clear out everything inside it as well. This cache can also store broken or outdated identity data, so removing it helps force OneNote to refresh your account connection. Once both folders are cleared, close everything and open OneNote again. Sign back in using your Microsoft account and give the app a moment to rebuild the account session and sync your notebooks. At this point, the error should be gone, and OneNote should connect normally again. If you still run into issues after these steps, double check that you're signing into the correct Microsoft account and that your internet connection is stable. In most cases though, signing out, removing connected services, clearing the OneAuth and IdentityCache folders, and logging back in will fix the problem. If this video helped you fix your OneNote account error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.